Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Style Gold. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to place a flounce on a basic bodice gown. Please, if you don't know how to cut a basic bodice gown, go to my channel, click on it and watch. I have a full detailed video on that. So this is the gown. This is my center dart. This is my side dart. This is the bust line, the chest line, the waist, the hip line, and the knee line, and this is the length of it. So I want to show you where I'll place the flounce. So I'll place the flounce. I want to measure 5 inches here for the flounce from the hip line. 5 inches. I want to separate it. This is the front and this is the back side of it. So I want to place a cuff. I want to place a cuff this way. Five inches below the hip line. So I'm going to cut it off. So I want to measure what I have here. What I have here is 11.5 inches. So I'm going to take 15 inches with the seam allowance, between 15 and 16 inches. So I will open the back this way. I'll place it this way. So this is how it is. This is center. So I'll place my flounce there. If it is a flounce, you measure only once. You go like this. Okay, you are taking 60 inches. For the flounce, you don't need to times it. Don't times it anywhere. You join the side, join the dart, then start joining from here. Start joining from here. Remember, you are cutting 15 inches. Join this way. Turn like this. Join it this way. Join it this way. Join it until you get to the end of it. But if it is a ruffle for you to get the gathers, let the gathers be so thick, you must times it by 4 inches. That is 60 times 4. So that when you gather it, it will be so gathered. Very fine and heavy. So I want to cut the neck of it. Or I want to cut the shoulder. So this is the shoulder. So I will now measure 1 inch, 1 inch. Then I'll connect it to this place, 1 inch from the neckline. Then I'll connect it this way. I'll cuff it. Then I'm going to cut both the back and the front shoulder off. The back and the front. I'm cutting it this way. So this is how it's going to look like. So I'm cutting the back and the front this way. So now I have to take the measurements, because there has to be a little collar. This is 7 divided by 2 is this one. Is the front is 14 inches. This is the back. The back is 4 inches. That is 8 at the back, 14 at the front. That is 22 inches. For the 22 inches, you fold it this way. $23 inches plus 1 inch allowance. Then I want to measure a small collar. So I'm cutting it. With allowance. If you don't want to join it, just measure at a stretch. Can measure 24 inches. The rest will be allowance. Then when you finish joining it, you open it, place it this way. This is how it's going to look like. Remember, you have joined this one. Start from the center here. But before this, there must be a zip at the back. You must put a zip 2 inches before the hip line. Run it this way. Run this collar. Let it go round. This is a paper. Run it like this. Sew it this way. Sew it this way. Cut into 2. Join it. Then use a hook and hook it at the back. As it will form the neck this way. It will form the neck this way. So that's how it's going to look like. When you finish, give it a good press, iron it. You see how it's gonna come out very well. Stop stitch at the ruffle or at the flounce. So we have come to the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, it's a new channel. Please try and do it. Try and subscribe. Thank you so much for people that have subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.